Hi guys, it's Sam from Creatively Sam's, and today I'm cheating. I'm making pretty much a pre-made pie, but this one has no sugar added. If you want to see how I did this, stay tuned. It's coming up next. Well, Thanksgiving's tomorrow, and I've got to make a pie. And my husband and I talked about it, and we decided that we really don't need the sweet overload. So I'm just making one pie, and it's going to be an apple pie because he doesn't like pumpkin. So what I'm doing is the cheater's way. You know how much I hate to cook. So with a glass pie pan, I have the Pillsbury pie crust, the 2-count, and I got Great Value, no sugar added, apple pie filling. And it says that it's seasoned with sucrose. But for one piece of pie, it's 5 grams of sugar. I can handle that being diabetic. So I got 2 cans of that. And to top it all off, I'm putting sugar-free Cool Whip on the top. All I'm going to do is open up the pie crust, line the pan, put both cans of the pie filling in the pie crust, top it off with a vented crust, and bake it according to the directions on the can. Okay, I'm just putting the pie crust in the pie pan, or pie plate. And I thought I'd share a little tip that I learned a long time ago. When I was 16, and we won't even talk about how long ago that was, I used to work in a German restaurant. And the cook there, her name was Rena, and the woman could cook like you wouldn't believe. And she always told me, when you make a pie, you just dot the bottom of it with forks. And you just put a few little holes in there. It doesn't have to be a whole lot. But you do that before you add your filling. And right now I have the oven preheating at 425. And surprisingly, this stuff is pretty good. It actually tastes like homemade. And I've got both cans in there. And I'm just unwinding the pie crust, and I'll put that on top. And isn't it nice? It's already slotted for me. And put a nice little A in the center for apple. Ooh, leftover pie dough. I don't know if I'm going to make the pie dough cookies or not. Okay, now it says bake at 425 degrees for 40 to 45 minutes. We know my oven, so I'll be doing it for 40 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it cooked for 40 minutes. I didn't need any more. And it's perfect. So if you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and happy creating, everyone.